Hello, everyone. I hope by now you have received your double digit addition worksheet. If you haven't, don't worry about it. I'm going to go over some of the problems here with you and then ask your mom and dad to check their email. Okay, so we are actually going to be using our tens rods and our ones squares to complete our addition assignment. Now, if you don't have these at home, you don't need to worry about it. Remember, I told you you can draw a line to represent 10, and you can draw a circle to represent the ones. The first problem on your worksheet is 12 plus 14. So first, I'm going to make 12. So how many tens are in 12? 1 10. And how many ones are in 12? That's right, 2. So this is 12. 10, 11, 12. Let me get you a little closer. Okay. So I said it was 12 plus 14. So how many tens do we have in the number 14? 1 10. And how many ones? Right. 4 ones. And I stacked them up to make it easier, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we want to find out how many there are in all, which is the sum, S-U-M, we can start by counting the tens and then the ones. So let's do it together, okay? 10. We're going to add the other 10, so we have 20. And when we are doing the ones, we're going to continue on, but counting by 1. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Good job. Now, don't be afraid to do it the old-fashioned way. If that makes you feel better, the only thing that matters is if you get the right answer. So, if you just added the ones, 2 plus 4 is 6. And then if you just added the tens, 1 plus 1 is 2. So your answer would still be 26. All right. Let's move on to the next one, which is 14 plus 22. So I'm going to give you a minute to use your paper and pencil and set it up. 14 plus 22. No cheating. Are you done? You don't need to know the sum yet. Just set up your problem. Okay, it should look like this. 1 10 and 4 ones, 2 tens and 2 ones. All right, I'll give you a minute to find the sum. Remember, you can do it the old-fashioned way or you can do it this way. The choice is yours. Go ahead, work it out. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. 14 plus 22. Let's count the tens. 10, 20, 30. Now let's add those ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Is that what you got? If you didn't, check to see what you might have done wrong and just try it again. No stress. Okay? We'll do one more and then I will show you the entire worksheet so you can just pause it and copy them. Okay? The next one is 23 plus 35. 23 plus 35. Okay, set it up. Don't wait for me to do it. You do it on your paper. I see Akira doing hers. Good. Adam, great job. Alicia, I am so proud of the progress you are making, girl. Go ahead, Micaiah. That's right. Christine, you can do it. Jaleel. All right, my man, yes. Okay. I see you, Markel. I didn't forget you. All right, here we go. 23 plus 35. Did you get yours set up that way? Okay. Take your time, Christine. Micaiah. All right, Mariah. I knew you could do it, girl. Okay. Here we go. Let's count the 10s and then the 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now remember the 1s, you count by 1. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Is that what you got? I knew you could do it. Okay? All right, let me show you the worksheet. All right, Damian, you getting it down? Okay. All right. And if I didn't call your name today, watch out. I could be calling on you tomorrow.